You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city in Mexico. We'll be looking at how to say more Mexican names that many get wrong. Stay tuned. San Miguel, not Miguel, okay? Miguel is how you say in Spanish. San Miguel de Allende in the Central Highlands. San Miguel de Allende is how you pronounce it. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.